It's a straight, nothing but straight. Okay. So watch the car and watch me press. So high power. Okay. That's your reverse. Okay. Now watch. When I start and I turn the wheel and I gun it, this is what's gonna happen. Okay? So you don't really want to gun it. But now, if I press A,
Turn around when it is safe to do so. In 200 meters, turn left.
right?
Turn left.
Okay, this is Eden, sweetie.
That's you now?
No,
You're
this is
playing?
Eden.
Wow, Eden, you're playing that one now? Wow, you know how to drive now?
Press A now.
Look at you! Wow, Eden, come on.
This is what happens when you put an oversized
That's how you do.
and you take all the weight out of it.
Oh, come on, Eden. Straight. Dry.
Yeah.
Nice. Oops. That's how supposed you play ride on your biking too.
Yeah, now you're liking the driving games, aren't you?
Yeah, it's much enjoyable, that one. I guess you're past on mine,
New PD.
Fortnite.
New PB. I don't know what that is. Oh, look at you. Right?
Look at you. Wow, whoa, whoa. Go straight. Oh,
Not really a dirt car, but okay.
but it's good. When the first time I do that, I can't do that.
I can't do this.
I can't do that. Mine, I'm just going back. Turn around,
Okay.
turn around.
Let's play some more. We can. Okay, if Daddy's not home and you don't want to play Minecraft, you can play this. Okay.